4-station cell featuring Poka Yoke kitting and enhanced ergonomics. This program involved the mixed model assembly of a heavy product. To ensure quality, the manufacturing team wanted to integrate simple error-proofing methods. Other goals were improved production flow, enhanced assembly ergonomics, and maximized space utilization. These priorities led us to create a compact, oval-configured cell utilizing our FlexiMate transport system that combines a modular workstation with a free conveyor. Our industry-proven system provided smooth single-piece flow with an efficient work environment. The Poka Yoke error-proofing was accomplished at a kitting position by an operator populating a fixture nest on our cart coupled with a caboose parts car for bulkier components. This prevented the downstream assemblers for selecting incorrect parts during production and allowed them to focus on the task at hand. The fixture nests were color-coded to ensure correct parts were being staged. Our custom-designed fixturing could handle the entire product family. To keep the production flowing, the work in progress rolled on our FlexiMate carts and tracks. The forward-thinking manufacturing management made ergonomics and worker safety a priority, so we approached it both passively and actively for each workstation. On the passive side, we provided many custom accessories for the display and use of tools and supplies to minimize reach and look time. On the active front, we looked at how the work content was processed and split the mechanics 3 ways. Firstly, we decided that height adjustability would be beneficial, so the entire product on the cart could be lowered for accessibility. The second method was to have the ability to rotate the product in a perpendicular plane to have access to all sides. The third consideration involved the ability to tilt the product away from the operator. To achieve this, an air cylinder was mounted on custom clevis forks to provide the optimum angle for assembly. Passive safety features involved a captive upper track rail system that prevented the cart and work in progress from tipping over. We also had safety features that would prevent the inadvertent rolling of another cart into a product being lifted or tilted. The plant was very constricted on floor space, so we spent considerable time to both right-size the cell and present completed product at point of use to the main production for seamless integration. Once the product had been removed from our FlexiMate cart, it traveled a few feet to initiate a new build at the kitting station. To further utilize the space within this compact oval cell, a gate was incorporated for the mounting of a finished goods jib boom. As with many of our cells, the line was shipped in large sections to facilitate setup. And to provide a turnkey cell, a team of our installers had the cell ready in a few hours. Enhanced ergonomics, error-proofing, production flow, ready to run, all systems go with the WorkSmart Systems FlexiMate Lean Cell.